No snow here in Revere, but we have some pretty rough conditions. The wind is whipping. The rain is coming at us sideways. My photographer and I are just soaking wet at this point. I want to give you guys a look at the ocean. We've seen the waves crashing up against the wall and splashing over onto Winthrop Parkway all morning long. The waves have subsided a bit as we're getting a little bit further away from high tide, but with a high tide later this evening, 4 to 6 p.m., we are expecting some beach erosion and some widespread coastal flooding. Live in Revere on a Meiler, WBZ This Morning.